Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. If you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I am going to share with you Bengali style egg chop recipe. It is a very famous street food in Bengal. It's a delicious snacks recipe where hard-boiled eggs are coated with spicy mixture and breadcrumbs and then deep fried till crisp. Now let's say the ingredients. We need potatoes, chopped onions, chopped garlic, grated ginger, salt, chili powder. 4 eggs, for coating we need 1 egg, breadcrumbs, cut the potatoes in big pieces with peels, boil the potatoes, once the potatoes are cooked, transfer them in a plate. Mash the potatoes with the help of a fork. Don't throw the peels. Let the potatoes to cool down. Heat oil in a pan, add chopped onions, fry till become light golden in color. Add salt, add chopped garlic and grated ginger and fry it for some time. Add chili powder, Our masala is well cooked now. Add the mashed potatoes and mix with the masala. Fry the mixture for 10 minutes, stirring constantly. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and let the mixture completely cool down to room temperature. Boil the eggs. Cut the eggs in half. For coating, take one egg and lightly beat it with little salt. Take little potato mixture in your hand. Take half egg. Now cover the half egg with the potato mixture and shape it to a full egg. First roll it in the breadcrumbs, then dip into the egg batter. And finally roll it again in the breadcrumbs. Now keep the breadcrumb coated egg chops in an airtight container and keep inside refrigerator for at least 45 minutes. Heat enough oil in a deep frying pan. The oil should be smoking hot. Add the egg chops to the hot oil carefully. Fry them till golden brown. Once the egg chops are fried, transfer them into a plate. Serve hot by sprinkling some black salt on the egg chop and serve with ketchup and chopped cucumber. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.